Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. How are
Alright,
you?
so yeah, I'm doing well. Alright, this evening, do you want to continue with your lesson?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay, what lesson are you now?
I think we should in the middle of the letter C,
Letter
lesson
C
3,
of what lesson? Lesson 3.
lesson 13, I mean.
Lesson 13. Okay, let's have letter C. Oh yeah, let's have hangout. Okay? Alright,
Yeah.
so please read.
Can you just a minute? I'm only having
Okay,
my,
sure, yeah.
yeah.
You're using only your phone, right? Okay, let's continue.
It means to live at or frequent a place, hang
Mm-hmm.
out. So, uh, the sentence using this word is,
Yes.
um, I usually hang out with my friends doing uh playing billiards.
With my friends playing billiards.
Yeah.
Again,
Oh, can you say it one more time?
usually hang out with my friends playing billiards.
I usually hang out with my friends playing billiards.
There you go, not doing, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's that. Let's continue.
Production area means the area where employees of an organization or business do their task.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Production area. Mm, Production area can be a place where I'm working on my desk.
Be a place. Okay. Could be your office, right? Could be your
Yeah,
desk. Okay,
yeah.
that's that. Good job. Any questions here?
Oh, not yet.
Okay, so let's continue with more expressions. Okay, let's have department. Please read the meaning and the example.
Uh, can you zoom in a little bit more?
Okay, how
Yeah,
about now?
yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's better. Department, division of a larger organization into parts with specific responsibilities. Ability. Mm. I know that word department is some uh where some co-worker members are working on the same for the same job. I mean,
Hmm. Yes, yes. So what are the
mm,
departments in your company?
I'm in software development department, and there are another departments like human resources
Mm-hmm.
and manufacturing and technical support, something like that.
Mm-hmm. I see. So
Our
yeah, there are
yeah,
many departments. Okay.
yeah, my
Okay,
company
good.
is kind of an IT, so
Mm-hmm.
we uh we we sell some of the products that
Mm-hmm.
runs in the computer or many some kind of embedded systems, something like
Mm-hmm.
that. So
Mm-hmm.
my programs should be run in the library and university and schools, and which also should runs automatically, not using uh, any other. Even if I, I mean, um, you know, some like gate entrance systems
Mm-hmm.
and book seats kiosk and
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
some book check in check out
Mm-hmm.
machine, something like that. That
Mm-hmm.
programs is in my uh
Those
programs.
those programs
Those programs can be
are in my
are in my program group.
in your department. There you go.
Yeah. So
Okay.
so that's all.
Very good. All right, so that's a good use of the word department. Okay, next word, please read.
Lounge around
Yes, lounge
means
around. Hmm.
means to pass time, ideally someplace. Mm, I think that place is where some some coworkers are uh, enjoying themselves with other coworkers.
Oh, that's the lounge. That's the lounge. That's the place. Okay.
Yeah.
Lounge
Lounge.
around is the action.
Mm. I think lounge is also meaning of lobby.
Yeah, exactly. Just the word lounge. Just the word
Mm.
lounge, it's the place. Okay.
Mm. Yeah.
But if lounge around, that's the action. That's the verb.
Yeah.
Do you get it?
I understand.
Okay,
Mm.
good.
So, what my sentence is, I don't have much time to lounge around in freely.
Lounge around freely. That's it. I
Yeah.
don't have time to lounge around freely.
Mm. I don't have time to lounge around freely.
Okay, another sentence.
Mm, mm, mm. When my family went to some hotel, we used to lounge around.
Okay, good. We used to lounge around. Okay, very good. That's that. Any questions?
Mm, no.
Okay, let's have cafeteria.
Cafeteria means a restaurant or dining room in a school or business in which customers serve themselves or served from a counter and play before eating. Mm.
Yes, play before eating. Okay, how about that? Can you make a
Mm,
sentence here?
mm, mm. I like to go to cafeterias where we can serve a good dishes,
Good
food,
dishes.
good foods.
Yeah, good food or good dishes. Okay, I want to go to cafeterias. Again, I want to go to cafeterias.
I want to go to cafeterias, uh,
Hmm.
which serves good foods,
Okay, which serve good foods. Okay,
which serves good
which
foods.
serve no s. Which
Oh yeah, yeah,
serve
yeah, yeah.
good foods.
I'd like to go to cafeterias which serve good foods.
Okay, good. That's that. Next one.
Power nap means short sleep taken during the working day in order to restore one's mental al- alertness,
Alertness.
alertness,
Hmm.
alert. Hmm. Power nap is just napping, right?
Yep, napping.
My sentence is I'm like I used to. Is that a verb or noun?
Which one?
Power nap.
Power nap, it's a noun.
Ah, I usually have a power nap in my workplace after eating lunch.
Okay, good. I usually have a power nap in my workplace after lunch. Okay, good.
Mm,
That's that. Good. Next, we go to what's this?
the
The John.
John.
Yeah, the John.
Yeah, the
Mm.
John.
Okay, please read.
Another terms, another term for comfort room.
Yes.
Mm, another term for comfort. Mm. What is exactly meaning of comfort room?
Where you pee, where you poop, where you wash your hands.
Ah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
it's like some toilet.
Exactly. Yeah.
Mm, okay. I usually go to the John going for my number one, number two.
Okay, for number one and number two. Yes.
Yeah.
All right, that's that. Good job here. Now let's go here now. I want you to apply what you've learned. So read the dialogue and give a proper answer, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, number one.
The text is a little small. I can
Of
see it.
course,
Yeah.
let me zoom again because yeah, you're using
Yeah.
your phone only.
Yeah.
How about now? Can you see?
Hello. I am new here. Could you point me to where my photocopiers are located? Mm, should I reply?
Yeah, like what I said, give a proper response or a proper reply.
Mm, oh, welcome to here. And I show you around the office and you will be able to find a photocopier.
Okay, good. You're able to find a photocopier. Okay, next.
I feel so tired after eating that having lunch. Oh, I think so. I I I am yeah. I uh I'm too something like that.
I'm too. I am too.
I am too. Yeah,
Yes.
I think so. I am too.
Okay, next one.
Have you seen Marvin? I can't find him anywhere. Mm, he will be where you met him the last time.
He will be where you met him the last time. Nice answer, yeah. Okay, next one. This is the response. I would
Mm,
love that. See you at the cafeteria. So what would you say for this response to be appropriate?
mm, why don't we meet a cafeteria down the street?
Okay, I would love that. See you at the cafeteria. Okay, last one.
Where do you usually finish your tasks at for the day? Mm, ah, the question is trying to ask what the question is trying to ask is, when is the time, right?
No, where?
Where?
Where? Yeah, place, not time.
Oh,
If it's time, it's when. Okay?
where do you usually finish your task at for the day? Mm, I don't understand that is exactly meaning.
I see. No, it's fine, it's fine. It's not your fault. Maybe this one is just too advanced for you. Okay? This means where is the place that you commonly finish or commonly end your job for the day? For example, when you work overtime, you finish your work at your office, right?
Mm,
Sometimes you go home, you bring your work home, so you finish your work at home. So it's the place. It can be at the office, or at home. Okay?
mm,
All right. I know you can practice more about these kinds of questions on your free time so that you'll understand more. Okay?
yeah,
All right.
because
So yeah, it doesn't
yeah,
matter. It's fine. That's why you're here. You
yeah,
want to learn, right?
yeah.
All right. So
Why I don't understand is I always thought uh, work is just doing in their own office, not
Mm-hmm.
home. So
Mm-hmm.
I think that question is uh, peculiar.
Mm,
Why
okay.
why our people have to ask where they work or
Yeah,
who
because
work?
different people work for different jobs. Not all
Mm,
work in an office. Do you get it? Not everyone works in an office. Sometimes hospital, sometimes clinic, sometimes work from home employees,
mm,
right? So there's so many kinds. So it depends on person to person. Okay. So in your
mm,
case, since it is obvious, so your answer is yeah, I usually finish my work where?
yes,
At
yeah.
my office, at my table,
Mm,
at
mm,
my company. That's it. Okay.
okay.
Others would be hospitals, work from home, school, teachers go home, they finish their assignments, their lessons at home,
Mm,
right? So yeah, it depends on what work you do. All right?
mm,
Okay,
okay.
so yeah, so these kinds of questions will be added to your vocabulary. Enjoy then. So that's that. I'll see you when I see you. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye.